What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to turn a lady on without even touching her, like without even taking your hands to anywhere around her body, like she's going to be dripping wet for you down there. So that is what this video is about. And make sure you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video to whoever you know is going to like it, and drop in the comment section what you feel about this video, something like that. So just let us communicate and have some fun. We guys, our attraction is based on physical appearance of a lady and not really the inner emotions and feelings that makes us to fall in love with a lady. It is the physical appearance. Like if we see a lady the first time, we are already attracted to her. Then getting to know the lady, then our emotions and feelings can then set in. But the physical attraction is what draws us to a lady. But that doesn't go the right way in terms of ladies' attraction and stuff. Ladies, their attraction comes in feelings, their emotions, the sexual tension you create whenever they see you, and that is what makes a lady fall in love with a guy and even make a lady obsessed with a guy. So now we are talking about how to turn a lady on without even touching her. What you want to do is to have your picture in her head at that particular time. Let her start thinking of the sexual tension that you are creating in her head. To get into the feelings of a lady, it's all about the head, like dealing with psychological thinking of a lady, her emotions, her feelings, what she's thinking of at that particular time. That goes straight to her heart and her brain to signal the hormones down there and get her turned on and make her wet at any particular time. What do you think watching romantic movies or either watching porn makes a lady wet or makes a guy hard? Everything goes into our brain, because while you are watching those videos like that, you are picturing it happening to you. So that is what I want you to create, like the picture of yourself doing a particular thing to that lady that you want to turn on. Let her have that picture of you in her head, like at that particular moment, or it could be in a text on social media while you guys are chatting up together, or when she is with you, like in the same room or the same environment. That will be the best. But you could turn her on even just on phone, like you guys are chatting together. You could just sex chat her and turn her on. That is another very easy thing to do. But what the main thing I want you to have in mind is you want to feed into her emotions and feelings to trigger that button, to click on that button, and clicking on that button will definitely just turn her on and make her wild. The first thing you need to do to get her turned on is to get her ready before she even gets to you, like before she even gets to where you are or come closer to you or even comes to visit you. Like you have to set up that sexual tension, like let her be thinking of what she's going to expect from you. And you can only do that by texting her or on social media, wherever platform, or calling her, wherever platform you know you guys talk together. That is the best place to start your sexual tension from. And to do that, the method I use for myself, and it works for me, is you throw in some flirty questions, like you are just asking an opinion. You are not putting yourself in the picture, and you are not also putting her in the picture yet, but you are just asking an opinion. Like, let me just give you this example. For instance, you want to ask her like, I heard so many ladies said that when they are touched on the breast and stuff, it turns them on. And I keep wondering to myself, like, is it really true? Like, are there no other ladies out there that are not turned on by the breast and something like that? Then you now ask her, like, what's your feeling towards that aspect? She will definitely talk. She will definitely want to reply you, and definitely she's attracted to you. Like, you already found out that she's attracted to you before you bring in those flirty questions and stuff like that. So she will answer you in a way and tell you that yes, some ladies are turned on if you touch their breast or something like that. Then you will not throw other questions like, what about yours? Are you sure touching your breast won't turn you on? Like, she will definitely want to answer you because you have already set in that emotion. She will tell you that, yes, if you do so, it could turn me on. Then from there, you can just keep on feeding into her emotions and putting your picture into it. Like, that is what I want you to do. Whatever sexual chatting you are doing with a lady, put yourself in the picture, not any other guy. You can just say, just imagine me with you in the room and low music. The condition is very cool. What will you do? Like, what do you think we will do? Or what will you do? You are putting the reasoning, like the thinking, you are throwing it back to her, making her to think like, me in the same room with you. She will start thinking like, the room is cool with music, and definitely your picture is already in her head because she will start thinking about stuff like that. Then you are already getting her wet before she even comes to meet you. Like, that's true, just sex chatting and chatting with her. Then you will now go into the dirty part, like, I would like to see how you are down there, like stuff, and she's already attracted to you before you get into that area, that sexual area. So you are definitely sure that she's attracted to you. Then you could feed in your picture into her sexual desires and sexual emotions to the extent that she will be like, when are we going to see each other? Like, I bet you cannot try it. You just tease her like, wow, I just imagine myself sucking on your left breast and at the same time using my hand to rub your nipples and so much stuff like that. She'll be like, bad boy, like this guy is a very bad boy and stuff like that. And at the same time getting down on you, like, I can't just imagine how you will feel. You understand those kind of things? Like, you are making her to picture you in that kind of scenario, in that kind of situation. She will be very, very willing to come and meet you, like to visit you. Then after that, to just cut it off. You don't need to let it to continue going and going and going. She will definitely start getting wet, but she won't tell you that it's wet. Only a courageous lady will tell you that, wow, guy, what you are telling me is making me wet down there. You just tell her, okay, fine, I want you to come and visit me for some time, like for this particular day and stuff like that. After that sexual chat you have ended up with, just come and visit me. I want you to just like, let us have some little playtime together. She will come, and coming, she knows that what you want to come and do, what she wants to do is she wants to experience all what you have been putting in her head for the past 30 minutes, for the past 1 hour. You guys have been sex chatting or having that sexual touch into her emotions and feelings. She wants to come and experience it when she is coming to visit you. So what you have just done is you have already put your picture of yourself in her head into that sexual desires that she has already. So you are like 80% assured that whenever she comes, you are getting laid. Like, that is for sure. So all you just need to do is just to follow up that sexual attraction whenever she comes, and even make it times 2. Like, she will be dying for you to just like, please just come. Like, she will be wild for you to just get into her. So you are done with the message part of trying to make her feel aroused, like turning her on and making her to expect something from you when you guys see each other. Now it is the time, like, she has come to visit you. She's already with you. And what do you need to do to increase that sexual tension that you have already created without even seeing her? Now she's with you. She's definitely with you. What you have to do to get her in the mood more is loves guys that smell very well. Like, they like sniffing guys. Like, what I'm trying to tell you is that you need to smell very well. You need to have perfumes, like put on perfumes, wear body spray, and smell very, very nice and romantic. Like, Ladies loves guys that smell very well, and they love when their guy is just smelling nice. They would definitely sniff you out and tell you like, babe, I love your smell. Like I just like sniffing you out. So that already is something that can turn a lady on without you even touching her or making any advances towards her. Like your smell alone, their sense of smell is very, very strong. Ladies' sense of smell is extremely strong. So what you have to do is feeding into that sense of smell by wearing a correct perfume or body spray or something that smells very nice, like your hygiene. Take good care of yourself, your body and everything. Like invest in yourself, and it's something that ladies loves and it turns them on naturally. Next thing I want to do that turns lady on without you even touching her is showing your gesture and cooking for her. Like who says an alpha male cannot cook, or who says a man should not cook for his lady or should not cook for a girl? That is very wrong. Ladies loves men that knows how to cook. Like that is 100% assured and clarified that 80 to 95% of women loves when their men knows how to cook. So what you just have to do, like the first time she's coming to visit you at your environment or your place, your apartment, you are the one doing the cooking. Like you are not getting any restaurant food or any food from outside. Make sure you are doing the cooking yourself and let her watch you doing the cooking. She will definitely tell you that, I'm very sure you don't know how to cook. Like I am extremely sure you don't know how to cook. Then you can just tease her like, I know how to cook. Like I cook even better than most ladies. She'll be like, then let's see. Let's she'll follow you to the kitchen and you just do your thing and let her watch you doing your thing. Like you are just putting your picture in her head and she'll be like, wow, see this guy is just cutting, slicing and doing so many things. Like she's going to have you in mind like, wow, did I just meet my perfect man? Like that is what is going to keep on running through her head. Like wow, I just met a guy that knows how to cook. Then definitely after she finished eating your food, you should now know like the food tastes very, very well and lovely. Oh my god, you're already making her dripping wet. Like she's just dying like wow, I just met a complete gentleman that knows how to cook and knows how to take care of the lady and so many things like that. What getting a lady wet is not just about your words speaking to her or stuff like that. It also has to do with your physical attraction, what you do around her to get yourself in her mind. That turns on the button of any lady. You must know how to set up a nice environment that is cool, calm, not noisy, for a lady to get turned on. Like she has to feel comfortable, everywhere has to feel just nice and cool. Let me just ask you this question: why do you always feel sex always happens in the night? Like sex at night is always very sweet and interesting because the night, the environment of the night is cool, is calm, there's no noise, the sexual tension is going to build up. So what you have to do is you have to create that night scenario anytime she's with you. It could be in the daytime, but whenever it's in the daytime, just make sure that where you are is calm, is not noisy, is private enough for you and her to be. Like just you guys together, you and your partner, you and that lady you want to get turned on in that same environment that you are. That's what you want to make sure you get. Like have that night scenario. Ladies that goes for dinner at night with a wine and 7 plates of food and dishes and so many things like that. It's just the night environment, like the night environment and the mood is setting in into your dinner and whatever outing you guys go to at night, and causing a sexual tension to grow in between you and your partner. So what you have to do is to recreate that nice environment, that cool mode, private, comfortable, and listenable environment for your partner whenever she's around or whenever she's with you. So that's what you have to do. Like, let her feel comfortable around you. Then after you have set up that cool, nice, 90 looking environment, and you guys are in the same room and the same apartment, nobody is with you, everywhere is calm and just yourself, what you have to do now is to speak into her ear. Like, this area, the ear area of the lady is very, very sensitive. Like, you have to whisper into her ear, just like get close to her, lean in on her, and just whisper a little word into her ear, like a little sexual word into her ear, and just like tease her and just distance yourself away from her. Like, she'll be like, what is this guy getting into? Like, what is he getting me into? So what you have to do is just like to make her feel okay, to make her feel comfortable, and also you are now starting to create that sexual tension again when you guys are together, and always maintain eye contact. Like, in all romantic movie or love movie you are watching, or it's produced outside in the public, try and look at the scene when they are kissing or when they are about to kiss. Like, the guy and the lady, before they initiate the kiss, like, they are always making eye contact, and after making eye contact they are leaning into each other, meaning that the eye contact and the feelings and emotions is already setting in. So that's what you have to do. Like, you have to maintain eye contact even without you touching her, but make sure you are very close to her. Like, look her straight into the eye. You could whisper some little lovely words into her ear. You could tell her how beautiful she looks, or how you love her shape, the makeup she put on, the clothes she's wearing, or even if you are opportune to see the color of the bra she's wearing. Like, you just tell her like, wow, I love the red bra that you're wearing. Like, it's she will be like, wow, how do you see that? It doesn't, it's just my sexual instincts. Like, I saw everything. Like, I saw everything in you before you even came to me. So something like that. You just have to build that sexual tension between you and her to turn any lady on without you even touching her. Like, you just have to tease her and flirt with her, because you and her are already in that cool environment. So the game is already thrown into your court. You have to do whatever you have to do to just make her turn on. But the rule is you do not have to touch her. It is not a must for you to touch a lady before you have to get her wet down there. So that's all you just need to do, and just follow your instincts of putting your picture into her head, like feeding your picture into her sexual desire, feeding your picture into her sexual emotions. Then just be the perfect person that you are meant to be, and definitely she is going to be dripping down there for you. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that I can be releasing beautiful videos like this for you, and you will be the first to get it whenever I release a video like this. So thank you so much for watching this video.